I love it here. I love Xiaoyeliu. I love Taitung.
Good morning, second day of our trip to Taitung. There's a ship behind me, not sure why. Before breakfast I want to go to Xiaoyeliu, Little Yeliu, north of Taitung City. I'm here right now, and if you walk this way to the coast you can go to the different rock areas. Tofu rock, coral reef rock, mushroom rock, honeycomb rock and coconut area.
We are at the first lookout spot. Here you can see the coast, the rock formations. The sun is already up. I missed the sunrise, but it doesn't matter. Very peaceful here, but a lot of mosquitoes. That's annoying. Let's take this path. Only 6 o'clock, but it's already hot. This overhang looks interesting. Yoo-hoo! Great. It's a bit like Yeliu here on the north coast, but maybe a bit rougher. Not as many tourists here. I like it. But the rocks are very sharp, you have to be careful. Amazing. But you have to watch out for the water on the rocks. Can get slippery here. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at those beautiful rocks here. This looks like a whale or a frog. I think I've been here before. That's a great spot. And here we have like a path of tofu rocks. The water reflects on the rocks a little bit. Cool. And you can see the stripes, the striations. It's marvelous. Look what I found. It's dead. It's not biting me or anything. Looks great if you hold it against the sun. I love it here. I love Xiaoyeliu. I love Taitung. Look at those crushing waves over there. The water is wild.